Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a PayPal account in Turkey. For that, first of all, you will have to come on this page and I will put the link of it down in the description. So you need to click on that and you will be landed over here. Now scroll down a bit and here in the Europe, you need to try to find Turkey in this list. You can even press Ctrl+F on your keyboard and here you need to simply search for Turkey. So here as you can see that we have Turkey in this list. Now as you can see that it is showing me that Turkey is not available in this list, meaning that PayPal is not providing its services in Turkey. So in this situation, what you can do is you can either use a VPN of your neighboring country and try to create your account on PayPal. And the second thing that you can do is you can simply try alternatives to PayPal like Remitly and Wise you can use. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.